We look at this avenue as an added to us because our business depends on big ticket values, big prospects who do complete houses. There is more involvement of the customer in understanding, experiencing, but we realized in the last year and a half, customers tend to research a lot online. This is also very specific to cities. Certain cities, they are not so much, but certain cities we are present, they research a lot. So we updated our website. We put in a shopping, it's not a shopping cart, we put in a shopping list where people select products and mail it to us, where we interact, because furniture involves a lot of interaction in terms of measurements, in terms of designs, in terms of flexibility. Also, the last 6 to 9 months, the way the market has responded, we found this a much more optimum avenue for investing of new prospect for business. Medias are getting expensive, and this is a good opportunity to generate prospect for business. So we uploaded our website. We also just added a shopping list where we are doing promos of products which are last pieces on the showroom, and we put them on the website now in the next 3 days. So you'll have bulk deals on those, which is only on the website and not in the stores anymore visible. So we intend using this much more actively now in our pursuit to expand our customer base, because we are a premium furniture. Our bedroom starts at about 2 lakhs for a bedding set, 5 to 7 lakhs for a complete bedroom, 2.5 lakhs for a sofa and upwards. So customers, we have very few walk-ins in our business, and the ticket value takes care of the ratio between the walk-ins and the revenue. So this, we embracing this with whole heart, not as a platform to sell, but as a platform to generate prospects for us.
Are you able to find out how many prospects or people who walk into your store are getting influenced by digital or online?
Yes. And you will be surprised, we're getting a lot of customers from abroad who want to come back to India. We presently following up with about 10 customers across India who have written that our house is there in Bathinda, our house is there in Jaipur, and we want to do up the house completely. I'm in Riyadh, this is my budget. Please, I've selected this, please go to my family, meet them, explain them. So I will come back in 3 months and I'll pay you, and this is what I want to buy. Plus, locally we are doing a lot of, so although we are present in 6 cities now, Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bombay, Pune.